Hey there everybody, High Mileage Rider here, and welcome to our Christmas edition video. I'd like to take a moment and wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year as we come to the end of 2022 and we sit right on the cusp of 2023. If you're interested in motorcycles, motorcycle gear, motorcycle trips, motorcycle reviews, or really anything on two wheels, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so YouTube will let you know when we come out with new videos, and if you like the video, please consider hitting the like button. For 2023 at High Mileage Rider, we have a goal of reaching 3,000 subscribers. I'd like to take a moment to thank my riding buddies, Heath, Steve, Matt, and Tim, for helping me filming videos this year, setting up locations to shoot videos, and for being the unwilling participants occasionally in the videos. As we enter 2023, we're going to start out the year with some videos on non-traditional motorcycle things, but I will say it is vehicles on two wheels. We will also have some gear reviews, unboxings, and first impressions, and we will continue with our maintenance videos through the winter, since as you can see, it's a little hard to ride when there's 2 or 3 feet of snow outside and it's minus 40 degrees. Now, with all that being said, this will be our last video of 2022, given that Christmas is just a couple days away. The next time we see you, it will be 2023 in the new year. And as I was saying earlier, as we go into 2023, if you would consider subscribing to the channel, we would greatly appreciate it. Again, hitting that notification bell so YouTube lets you know when we come up with new videos, and liking any videos that you like. So thanks again for joining us on High Mileage Rider. I hope you have enjoyed the videos we've put out as much as we've enjoyed making them for you. And have a happy holidays, a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and until we see you in 2023, remember, keep that right hand cranked and the rubber side down.